At first glance, the workpiece looks perfect, but already a small defect of the sanding belt is damaging the surface. Such problems are over now, thanks to the ingenious concept of Kundig's oblique technique. Simple, intelligent, and convincing. The Kundig oblique sanding machine guarantees the best quality sanding for lacquer and veneer. Kundig. This is how sanding can be a real pleasure. With traditional sanding, standard abrasive belts rotate parallel to the conveyor, allowing the smallest belt defect to cause damage marks on the entire length of the workpiece surface. The reason for the damage is the continuous pounding of the sanding belt defect on the workpiece. No matter which way the part is turned, the sanding result, unfortunately, is the same. It's a logical result of the parallel movement of feed belt to sanding belt. With the Kundig shear plane sanding technique, continuous transmission of the sanding belt defect is impossible. The reason is that the sanding unit of the patented Kundig oblique sanding machines can pivot by 10 degrees. Feed belt and sanding belt no longer move in the same direction. The result is that sanding belt defects no longer repeat and grow in size. Defects are shifted sideward and remain invisible. The same applies to unwanted oscillating belt tracking lines. With Kundig's shear plane sanding technique, a better sanding image is produced. Instead of surfaces with visible sanding lines, perfectly brilliant surfaces are created. Another advantage is that wood fibers are easily and efficiently cut, thanks to the 10-degree attack angle. It's clear that by starting with oblique attack angles, woodworking is easier. Kundig's exclusive sanders with a straight and an oblique sanding unit are perfect lacquer and wood sanding machines. Because of the various attack angles, wood fibers are easily and efficiently eliminated. The resulting surface quality is an ideal basis for lacquering. Standard Kundig oblique sanding machines are available as 1-belt and 2-belt models, as well as cross-belt sanders. They also can be ordered in special machine configurations to any customer requirements. Kundig. This is how sanding can be a real pleasure.